How to find Clipboard on your Android device. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find Clipboard on your Android device. Let me just quickly go ahead and open up my Notes app over here. Now in order to find Clipboard, it's quite easy. All you have to do here is basically open up your keyboard, and then you'll find this little clipboard icon over here. You can find all of your text videos over here. And if you haven't enabled your clipboard yet, you could just go ahead and toggle this option. If you don't find it right on your toolbar, then you could just go ahead and tap on settings. Make sure that the clipboard is enabled from here. Now, once you have done that, you could go to the menu icon on toolbar again, and as you can see, here are multiple options. Sometimes your clipboard might be hidden inside this. You can tap on it to access it, and for easy access you can go to the toolbar settings, drag it and move it up top of your toolbar. And that's how you can basically find Clipboard on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, share the video with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.